large clouds of gas and dust. Some are left over from a dying star. Others are where newborn stars are. These mysterious clouds are called nebulae. There are several different kinds for you to see. Out in the expanse of our galaxy, we'll go on an epic journey. Let's go meet a nebula, the coolest spectacle you ever saw. Incredible sculptures of gas and dust. Meeting one, it is a must. Let's go meet a nebula, the greatest phenomena you ever saw. Let's go meet a nebula now. Come with me, I'll show you how. Tiny egg nebula, a rare bizarre ripple in space. In the Cygnus constellation is where I find my place. A pre-planetary nebula, I'm just starting to take shape. The dying star at my core still shedding its outer material away. Looking at me, you can see how a nebula is formed. My central star is still shining, but I won't be like this for long. I'll be a planetary nebula when my star is done, you'll see. And all that's left is a white dwarf core surrounded by the gases it released. NGC 6302, or the Butterfly Nebula. A bipolar planetary nebula in the constellation Scorpius. I have one of the most complex structures of nebulas ever observed. My wings are extremely hot gases tearing across the universe. The Flame Nebula, a fire in the sky, blazing in the night. In the Orion constellation, I'll attack the third star in the belt on the right. A bright blue supergiant that shines on me, which is why I burn so bright. An emission nebula in the Orion molecular cloud, a very popular sight. Let's go meet a nebula, the coolest spectacle you ever saw. Incredible sculptures of gas and dust. Meeting one, it is a must. Let's go meet a nebula, fantastic gaseous phenomena. Let's go meet a nebula now. Come with me, I'll show you how. I'm watching you, and I in the sky. I'm the Helix Nebula, look deep into my eye. I'm a planetary nebula, a perfect example to see. An expanding shell of gas around the dying star, that's me. I'm the first planetary nebula to be discovered to have thousands of cometary knots, also called globules. These tackle-shaped objects resemble comets, enormous objects that form during my dying star's final phase. I'm in the constellation Aquarius, about 700 light years away.
Beyond the Opus constellation, I may look like a black hole in space. I absorb all light behind me. I'm Barnard 68. A dark molecular cloud or dark absorption nebula. I'm opaque, not clear. I obscure so many stars behind me, which means I'm closer to you than I appear.
I'm known as the Hand of God, and you can probably see why. It looks like an enormous hand reaching out across the sky. I'm really a pulsar wind nebula. After a supernova pulsar was left behind, it lights up my eerie shape in the constellation Circinus, you will find.
Let's go meet a nebula, the coolest spectacle you ever saw. Incredible sculptures of gas and dust. Meeting one, it is a must. Let's go meet a nebula, fantastic gaseous phenomena. Let's go meet a nebula now. Come with me, I'll show you how. In the constellation Dorado, far away in a large Magellanic cloud, I'm 30 Doradus, but you know me as the Tarantula. I look like a burrowing spider, surrounded by my silk strands. I'm where our star population expands. I'm an emission nebula, an incredible stellar nursery. Thousands of young stars have been forming inside of me. At my core, star cluster starburst region NGC 2070 has some of the most massive and luminous stars you'll ever see. Out in space, in the emptiness, you'll find large clouds of gas and dust. Some are left over from a dying star. Others are where newborn stars are. These mysterious clouds are called nebulae. There are several different kinds for you to see. Out in the expanse of our galaxy, we'll go on an epic journey. Let's go meet a nebula, the coolest spectacle you ever saw. Incredible sculptures of gas and dust. This one, it is a must. Let's go meet a nebula, fantastic gaseous phenomena. Let's go meet a nebula now. Come with me, I'll show you how. Let's go meet a nebula, the coolest spectacle you ever saw. Incredible sculptures of gas and dust. This one, it is a must. Let's go meet a nebula, fantastic gaseous phenomena. Let's go meet a nebula now. Come with me, I'll show you how. Let's go meet a nebula, the coolest spectacle you ever saw. Incredible sculptures of gas and dust. This one, it is a must. Let's go meet a nebula, fantastic gaseous phenomena. Keep looking through your telescope to see who can make the next discovery.